Hello! Today, I will cook spicy crispy fried chicken breast. Pag meron kayong mga tirang chicken, ito ang gagawin ninyo. Okay, we start to wash our chicken. After that, we make it sure that the chicken is dry. Kung wala kayong paper towel, you can strain it. By the way, this is Bellabob. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so after that, you can put it in a bowl. And after that, you can slice into thin. Next is you need to get a small amount of ginger. And you need to slice it into small pieces. After you slice the ginger, you can put it into the chicken. Next, you put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And mix it good and marinate it for a few minutes while you preparing the other ingredients. Okay, next it's a leek. Itong leek, guys, looks like a big spring onion. So we need to wash it good. Make it sure that it's clean. And you need to slice into thin. And this is very nutritious. Okay, next it's garlic. I got a few cloves of garlic. I love garlic, so I just cut into 2. Now the pan was ready and warm, so we need to put the 1/4 cup of oil and put the garlic. Then make it sure that the garlic get brown. And next we put the leek. Then we slowly cooking, and we need to take it out garlic. I don't want that it will get burned. Just make look good, light brown. Okay, so after we take it off the garlic, so make it sure that the leek is fully cooked. It smells so good. And the leeks looks like crunchy, so we need to take this one out so that it will not burn, and set aside together with the garlic. Okay, next we will put the 2 tablespoons of uh, chili flakes. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so we need to mix it. Then we will put the garlic and the leek. So we will mix all together, and it really smells so good now. If you guys love spicy foods, it's really good for our health. Not all the time spicy, but it's a moderation, you know. Okay, so after that, we need to strain it. We need to separate the oil. There you go. So that's the stuff that we cooked earlier. Okay, so we need to set aside those stuff. Okay, before we cook, we need to prepare the other ingredients. So this one is a jalapeno. So we need to slice into strips. And this one is a hot chili. We need also to slice into strips. Okay, so after hot chili, we need to slice the spring green onion. And after that, the next is the onion. We need to cut the onion into small pieces. Okay, next we need to prepare our sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. And after that, you will mix until the sugar get melt. And also the cornstarch will mix it. Next, you need to get the egg white and you put it into the marinated chicken. Next, you can put the 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Next, kailangan mong ihalo ng mabuti para dumikit yung egg at saka yung cornstarch sa chicken. Okay? Okay, now we need to get ready to fry the chicken. Okay, so it looks so good now. Okay, so we're done. Fried this chicken. But there's one secret that I want to share to you. To make your chicken crunchy, we need to fry it in a second time. Okay, make it a little bit more brownish and make it sure that it's really cooked. There you go. This is the second time fried. Okay guys, so now we need to take it out the chicken and make it sure that it's not really oily. Ang susunod nating gagawin guys ay yung lutuin natin yung ibang sangkap gamit the infusion oil from the leek, garlic, and the chili flakes. Yan ang gagamitin natin na oil. So, maanghang na yun. So, we can put the onion, the jalapeno, and the hot chili, and the spring green onion. And we need to make it good until they cook. And we will put in the sauce that we made earlier. And we will add on the chicken. Okay, it looks so delicious. Oh my, it looks yummy. And now we can add on, or we can put it at the top, the garlic, the leek, and the chili flakes that we cooked earlier.